Hey,
Hey, David.
yeah.
Hey, what's going on with our client, the one with the Amazon truck driver?
Well, it's probably something that's the box truck guy.
Yeah, the box truck driver.
Okay.
He's got a MC number filing, and the carrier is not going to accept it.
The insurance carrier. Yeah, that's right. Okay. For light and local drivers that have, say, a box truck or smaller, and they're delivering within, say, 100 miles radius of the state of Texas, generally that person only requires a USDOT number and a Texas DMV number. A lot of people refer to it as a text dot number. However, what's happening is that there are large companies out there that a lot of small carriers are signing up for. Like the previous video we did about Amazon. They're signing up for Amazon to deliver for the Prime products, Prime Fresh, Amazon, whatever. And the problem is that even though their vehicles are not required to have MC numbers in case they cross state lines because they're staying local, Amazon or Dynamex or whoever it is requiring that they get an MC number to be in line with their requirements, to be in line with their federal, state compliance requirements because everything is moving towards this new regulation in 2017. So, what does that mean? If you have, say, a little box truck, a 24-foot box truck, in the past, you could get away with it with just a DMV number, USDOT number. You're not crossing the state of Texas state lines, and you just have to worry about state regulation. And you had multiple choices of insurance. With this guy, with these clients, what's happening is that because Amazon and whoever else are requiring them to get MC numbers, then the light and local guys are limited to the carriers in which they can actually get insurance coverage from. So if they're crossing state lines in the past, we would just write them through, we could write them through a number of carriers. But now, with that MC number filing, our only choice is Progressive, because Progressive will write an interstate carrier, regardless of the years of experience, as long as it's filed properly and classified properly. The other carriers that are out there, the other insurance providers, they will only write you if you agree to stay inside state lines and your filings also match that. So even if you agree to stay inside the state lines, you're going to operate just inside the state of Texas, but you get an MC number with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration saying that you can cross state lines and enter into, interstate commerce. I keep repeating myself. Then the carrier saying they're saying there's a 1% chance. So in the past, say a pickup truck, hot shotter, box truck would have said, hey, I'm just going to get an MC number to stay in the state of Texas. In the past, we could write it through Progressive, Hallmark, Infinity, Kemper Specialty, and a couple of others. GMAC is another one that comes to mind. Now, with that federal filing, there's a 1% chance, 0.1% chance that they could cross state lines into Oklahoma. The insurance company is saying, no, we don't want that piece of business because it no longer falls under the definition of light and local commercial auto business. So, for instance, the guy that we're dealing with right now, he went and got an Infinity policy because it was cheaper. Unfortunately, the MC number that he asked us to help him with allows him to cross state lines. As a result, the insurance company is going to have a fit. And as you can tell, we've already called the insurance company a couple times, and we've surprised them with, hey, with this question. While one person in the call center said, yes, we'll write it. That was a call that you got, The other ones out there are saying no. In fact, our underwriting and our carrier representative said no, the person in the call center was incorrect. It's unfortunate that the person made a mistake. And the only reason that person made that mistake is because they probably have to deal with more states than just Texas. And they probably have different requirements for different states. So as a result, once we press the button on his MC number and his USDOT number, once we get that going, then his insurance company is going to start the process of cause canceling him because they no longer want the risk. So in reality, he should have only started and stopped with Progressive and maybe GMAC. So word to the wise, if you are a small trucking company that's light and local and you think that you might need MC number, or there's a 1% chance that you're going to cross the state lines, or you need federal filings for whatever reason, make sure that you contact us, because at least we will ask the right questions and help you avoid the trap that a lot of these guys are falling into. They're falling into the fact that they get the wrong policy from the wrong company, but have all the right intentions. That makes it hard for them to do business and stay in business. So, that being said, if you have any questions, give me a call. Give us a call. Number's going to be in the description. There's probably going to be some type of link below. If you want more videos and more tips, feel free to subscribe and ask questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back with them. Until next time, I'm David Berry.